Welcome back to Jackie Made It, where every stitch tells a story and every project celebrates your creativity. Today, we're diving into a bold and beautiful design, the Peyote Stitch Ring, using the skills from my last video, teaching Peyote Stitch. Grab your favorite seed beads, settle into your creative zone, and let's turn technique into wearable art. Let's get started. For this project, I used 3 colors of size 11 seed beads, a size 10 beading needle, and size B Nymo thread. We'll start with about 5 feet of thread. I like to spread out my beads a little so that I can see the holes. We're going to add enough beads to fit around our finger. Make sure the beads are divisible by 2. I am making a thumb ring, so I added on 40 beads. Make sure you have enough beads to wrap around your finger comfortably. Pull your beads down until you have a 4-inch tail. Then wrap your beads around into a circle and go back up through a few beads. Now we're going to start our first round of Peyote Stitch. Add a bead and look at where your thread comes out of the circle. Skip the next bead and insert your needle through the next bead. Pull your thread a little tight and you will see that the new bead will line up beside the bead you skipped. Also, you can pull the tail thread occasionally to tighten up the round. Now we're going to add another bead, skip the next bead, and go back into the next bead. Add another bead. Keep adjusting the tail thread along the way, just to tighten up your work. Continue the same pattern until you get back to the beginning beads. Feel free to pause the video, then meet me back here so we can step up. Step up this row by skipping the next bead, passing through the next, and up through the first bead that you put on this row. You can see in this row that every other bead is sticking up. We will use these to complete our next row. Add a bead and go through the next bead that is sticking up. Add a bead, go through the next stick-up bead until you get to the end. Step up and we will begin the next row. This is what your piece should look like. We're going to start the next row of blue beads in the same way as before. Meet me back here when you are finished. Now I'm going to pick up a silver bead and bring it through the next bead that is sticking up. Keep going around until you get to the end of the row. Step up again, and we will start adding on the denim blue beads. Start a new row of denim blue beads as before. You will complete 2 rows, making sure to step up each time, then meet me back here. Once we have finished 2 rows of the denim blue beads, we will add 1 more row of silver beads. Meet me back here when you complete the silver bead row. Here, I'm stepping up with the last bead. To get to the other side, I'm going to weave my threads through the ring until it gets to one of the stick-up beads on the other side. It's easiest to go through a couple of beads at a time and through diagonally. Just make sure you are coming out of one of the stick-up beads. Now we are going to add on a silver row in the same way, using the peyote stitch. Step up, then we are going to add 2 more rows of the denim blue beads. Once you finish off the second row of denim blue beads, meet me back here, then we will start the last row of silver beads. Step up the last row as usual and start the last row of silver beads. No need to tie any knots. All you need to do is sew your thread down a few beads. Come back up a few beads. Then go back down a few beads and trim. Then tie in your tail thread as well. And you are finally finished with your beautiful peyote stitch ring. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my videos for more content. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so we can notify you when the next tutorial comes out. May creativity be your guide.